Guys, we've got the Servis no, I don't know what the model number is, but we've got the matching tumble dryer to my automatic 1000 washing machine. Drying the bedding that was done in the automatic 1000. As you can see, normal full load dry for storing delicates, anything on there. It's a fantastic dryer, it's absolutely brilliant. Yeah, it's manufactured week 8 of 2002. So these must have gone on for a bit longer than the washers, because I know the washing machines were 98 to 2000. But these obviously must have been similar time, and I'm sure they stopped them in 2003. Must have, or 2002. I don't know. But it's very interesting. Reliable dryers and very quiet. This is probably the best vented tumble dryer I've ever owned, and I'm not just saying that because the washing machine is my favourite, but I think it is. It's got to be one of my favourites. Yeah, we'll let that dry nicely. Excellent stuff. I'm just even more shocked that this is still white. It's not yellow or anything like that. It's perfectly white. Alright, thank you for clicking on this quick video. Subscribe to see more content. Thank you very much, guys.